friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw the Easter Bunny, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the nose. So right in the center we're going to draw in a small arch line, and then moving underneath that we're just going to curve this around, connecting that on the side. For the mouth we're going to draw in a curved line coming out towards the left, and then we'll do the exact same thing across on the right. Let's move across to the left. We're going to draw in a circle for the left eye. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's move across. So on the left-hand side, drawing in a nice big circle for that highlight. And then we'll move down on a diagonal, replicating that, making this smaller. Now let's color in our eyes black. Let's move up above the eye now, and we're just going to draw in a small curved line on both sides. And now let's draw on the cheek underneath. So we're just going to draw in a sideways oval underneath. Let's draw in the shape of the face. So let's come up in the middle first. We're going to draw in a small curved line. From here, we're going to leave a gap for the ears, and we're going to round this out, tucking this over and into the middle. We'll line this up at the exact same height on the right, replicating that, pulling that in. Now let's draw on the whiskers. So on the top, we're going to curve this out. And then let's move down, replicating that again, ending that at the exact same width. Let's move up for the ear now. So stepping over on the left, we're going to curve this around, bringing this down, tucking this back up. Again on the right, bringing this up, around, curving that up. Now underneath, we're going to arch this down, connecting that to that edge. We'll replicate that on the right, tucking this up. Now on the inside, we're going to curve this down to the bottom. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back in to the top. Let's come down for the arm. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this arm in, tucking that over. And then we'll replicate that on the right-hand side as well. We're going to draw two small diagonal lines coming in the center. Let's draw on the Easter egg up above. So we're going to arch this up, pulling this back around and down on the right. And then we'll follow this through underneath, curving this over and tucking that up on the side. We're going to add a little pattern here for our Easter egg. So on the top, we're going to curve this across. Let's step down, replicating that. Moving through underneath, we're going to make an even thinner line this time. So as we step down, we're going to make this a little shorter in width as we bring that across. Now let's move underneath for the body. We're going to arch this in on the left and right hand side, ending that at the exact same height. And then now in the middle, just a slight curved line right in the center. Let's come underneath for the belly here. We're just going to curve this around, tucking that up on the right. Now for the Easter Bunny's foot, we're going to step in and we're going to curve this over, tucking that around and through to the top. And then we'll just draw two curved lines pointing in to the middle. Let's add in a cute little tail on the right here. So we're going to arch this down on the side. We'll do the same on the right, curving that in. Let's step underneath, arching this around and back up. And then again on the bottom, curving that in. We're going to draw in a little grass behind. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line in. And then we'll point this up to the top and then bring that back down. Let's curve this across on the left-hand side, pulling that down. And then we're going to arch this line over. Now on the right, let's curve this across again. And then we're going to arch this up, pulling that back down. Again, curving that over, tucking that in. And then we'll make this one even bigger, curving this across and back down. Let's drag this line out again for that little patch of grass. And now let's just add some little Easter eggs behind. So where the knee is here, we're going to curve this up, tucking that down on the side. And then on the right, we're going to curve this up, tucking that back in as well. And that is it. That's how you draw the Easter bunny. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.